Hi guys, Sreenivasan here. A bit about me. I'm a journalist. I work as an anchor on a program called PBS NewsHour Weekend. I also do interviews for a program called Amanpour & Company and have a new channel on YouTube called Take on Fake. So needless to say, a big part of my job is weeding out misinformation. One skill that pretty much all journalists and fact checkers use, myself included, is called lateral reading. And it's a great way to make sure you have all the information you need before making a big decision or even a small one like whether to share this or not. Here's how it works. A lot of people tend to read one article going from top to bottom. We've been trained to read vertically, so when you want to fact check something, start by opening new tabs. Tab, 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 tab. Every browser can do it, okay? That way, new tabs will help you research the source of the information and reading laterally across all of them. Who's behind the information? What was their motivation for sharing it? Open more tabs to see what other sources are saying about this source. Then plug in keywords from the actual claim to see what multiple sources are reporting. I'll admit, looking at my tabs, I have a problem. I'm a bit of a tabaholic. I even have a tab open for that, but that's all right. That means I have all the context.